So it is time for FabFitFun. This is not the FabFitFun subscription box. This is the Autumn Edit. So it's a few things that I have ordered from FabFitFun because they looked quite cheap in the recent edit, and it's been shipped to the UK for me. So let's get into it. This is exciting for me too, because honestly I didn't realise I had ordered anything quite so big, and I really don't know what I've ordered. I've totally forgotten what I've ordered. So first of all, I can see in here I've ordered something of a fluffy nature. I think it's a scarf. And what is it? Actually it's a scarf. Did I order a scarf? I must have ordered this scarf. It is a scarf. It's a pretty scarf. It's very, very thick scarf. I like this scarf. That's probably why I ordered it. Well, it's not exciting because I'd totally forgotten that I had ordered that. I'll just tell you how much it was in a second, but it's a nice big scarf. I'll tell you the price. Oh, it's chunky. Right. Let's go through the price of this. It's chunky. So the scarf. Oh, there's no price on there. That's no good. I have to tell you how much I paid because it'll be on an email. Oh, look. There's also a hat. I also ordered a hat. I also ordered a hat. Let's play dress up, shall we? Interesting. Now that's a nice hat. I can see why I ordered that. It's come with some packaging. It's come with some packaging around it there. Let's see. Oh. And look at me, I feel like Doctor Who. Was it Tom Baker? Yeah, I feel like Tom Baker in Doctor Who. Anyway, it's nice. Well, that's nice. I'm pleased I got that. So, what else did I order? Isn't this fun, playing dress up? Oh, another hat. Another hat. I ordered another hat. I'm obviously all right for the winter. This one is the plush Stay Warm and Stylish hat. Let's see, let's take this one off. This one on now. Oh yes. Bulky. Still, isn't this nice? Right, now what else is in my box? It's a mug. I ordered myself a mug. Really? Did I do that? Did I do that? I don't remember ordering a mug. Why would I order a mug? It's amazing what you do when you're online. The thing to order. Anyway, let's see. Did I really order that? I probably ordered it anyway. It's a FabFitFun mug. So that is my FabFitFun order. And that was very brief and very quick. And it seems to consist of lots of gear for the winter. What did you order? Ta-ra.